Okay, you guys are probably clicking on this video.
And every night, wash your hands before bed. Or your mom will be sad because you'll wake up dead. Now I wouldn't worry unless you're over 45, because you're probably gonna die.
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Muskman, and I don't have a name for now, but yeah, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to jitter click. I see a lot of people want to know how to jitter click, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to jitter click, and you do not need any special mouse for this. Sorry, I'm using my phone to record this. It's a bit shaky, but I will get a setup, cause the last time I tried this, something bad happened and my phone fell. As you saw in the last video, my phone did fall. So we are just gonna be trying this out. So a lot of people don't really explain how to jitter click. They just say they just tell you that you start jitter clicking like this. But actually, if you tense up your arm, you'll feel that vibration, and that vibration can be used to click your mouse. And look, here's an example. If you see, and you put down your finger like this, while tensing up your arm, and put it on the mouse. And you see, there we go. You just jitter clicked, right? But then there are different methods of jitter clicking. Jitter clicking. Number one, you can put your finger down like this and put the other one like this, and then you can put the two fingers like this, and then there's another one where you can like hold your mouse, tension up your arm. Just basically do any method that is useful for you. And if you do subscribe, you will win one of these. So if you subscribe, you will stand a chance to win one of these. This video is sponsored by Simba, by Raisin Simba Chips. If it wasn't for Simba Chips, I wouldn't be able to jitter click like this. As you know, you need snacks to keep you strong, and these can keep you real strong. And guess what? These are really good to eat. They are yummy. I guarantee you can find them in any store. You see, look at these. Yeah, but that's not what we're here for. So basically, you could basically use any grip that you want. You could also use this grip. Yeah, guys. So basically, you can use any grip that you want to jitter click. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I might just make more tutorials like this. And tell me what other tutorials you guys want to see on the channel. Bye.